Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. Today I am making an experiment and you're along for the ride with me. I'm going to make this Vietnamese avocado pudding slash shake that I've been hearing about. My daughter actually had it at a Vietnamese restaurant this past week and sent me a picture of it. I'm like, that looks really delicious. So unusual because the secret ingredients to this are avocado and sweetened condensed milk. Now, each of these things I like individually, but I've never had them combined. So I thought, well, let's see how we like this. And we're gonna start with the avocado, which if you're not aware yet, once you get a perfectly ripe avocado that you've been sitting out on the counter and it's to its perfect ripeness, put it in a container of water and just keep it in your fridge. It will keep for about 2 weeks at that perfect stage of ripeness so you don't waste avocados. Really super helpful. So here I have my avocado and it's got a little brown spot. I'm just gonna take that out because I don't want that brown color in there. And these are kind of small avocados, so this is gonna be a smaller portion, I think, than would typically be. And I'm gonna take the pit out of the other side. And the same thing, I see a tiny little brown spot. This avocado stayed very nice looking. I'm thoroughly impressed how they keep when you store them in water. It's great. So that in goes the avocado, and then a little crushed ice goes in here, and then some coconut milk. You can use any milk of choice, but a nice, thick, creamy coconut milk is just like the perfect thing for this. And then I'm going to put in a bit of this sweetened condensed milk. That gives it the sweetness and more creaminess. And then we're just gonna blitz this all up. And I'm excited to see where this ends up. If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps out our channel and we so appreciate you. Okay, that looks like it's gonna be nice and thick and super creamy. You can make it more like a shake or you can make it more like a pudding, depending on the kind of thickness that you want. I'm just gonna put it into this. Oh, that's really pretty. Serving glass here. And I'm going to adorn mine with some toasted coconut. Oh goodness, look at that. And of course, little sprig of mint. That's beautiful. All right, now we're gonna try. It looks delicious. Okay, I'm sold. This stuff is fabulous. Wow. And it came together in 60 seconds. So you have got to give this a try. It's a Vietnamese avocado shake slash pudding with just a handful of ingredients, and it's wonderful. I really like it. So check out tkfoodie.com. The recipe will be there for you.